Hello and welcome to the Technology Orientation course on IDs and Passwords. This presentation is a part of the Technology Orientation course. We will learn about IDs and passwords. This presentation may pause to ask you questions. Your answers will be graded. You will need to earn a passing score which is determined by your teacher. You probably have your password from your previous school year. This could be from your last year in elementary school, or it could be last year when you were in 6th or 7th grade. We hope you can remember your password from your previous year. If you can't remember it, we will cover that later. If you're new to Albuquerque Public Schools and don't have your password yet, we'll cover that later, too. Your ID is the number assigned to you when you first enrolled at any Albuquerque public school. Your ID is usually called your student ID. Some IDs are 9 numbers long, sometimes beginning with 9700 or 9800, although some others are 13 numbers long and begin with a 1. This ID is permanent and cannot be changed by anyone at your school. Ever. Your password is a secret that is used to make sure that you are, well, you. You should keep your password a secret that only you know. Your password should never be shared with anyone else. And we mean anyone. Trying to guess someone else's password is a very serious breaking of APS rules. And don't use someone else's ID and password. Not only is using someone else's password against Albuquerque public school rules, but you could be charged with identity theft, a very serious crime. Your ID and password are usually the one key you will need to unlock everything you use as a student. This means your one key can unlock websites, apps, student view, school Wi-Fi, and other technology that you may use while you are a student in APS. Your ID also unlocks your Google account and the Google apps like Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Drive, other cool Google apps. Your Google ID is a mashup of your ID number with a tail. The tail is at aps.edu. So, your Google ID might be like 970000000 at aps.edu. Oh, and use your own ID number, not that one. Let's recap what we've learned. IDs are yours and cannot be changed. Your password should never be shared. Your ID and password is used by the apps you use for school. Before we get started, you should know that you are now in control of your own password starting today and going into your future. That means that you are responsible for remembering all the stuff about your password. It may be that you use your password every day. Usually it's easy to remember your password when you use it often. But there may be times when you don't use your password often enough for you to keep it memorized. If you don't think you can remember your password, then write it down in a place that is secret. To help manage your password, APS has a tool you can use. This tool is a website called PW Reset. The address to this website is pwreset.aps.edu. When you got your password from your previous grade, someone made up the password for you. If you change your password, Albuquerque Public Schools has some rules about your new password. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long or longer. A character can be a letter, a number, or a symbol like a hashtag. Have at least one uppercase letter like a capital P. Have at least one number. Can't contain anything that is a part of your social security number. Can't be any password that you had before. So, no repeating your password. If you want to make a password you remember, you might think about using an entire sentence. Maybe something like I love to eat pizza. Oh, and don't use that one, it's already taken. On the web main page there are 4 tools to help you manage your password. The 4 tools are: Change password, Unlock account, Forgot password, Edit profile. When you click on one of these items, a new page will open. Let's look at all 4 of these tools. On all of these 4 pages, you will notice that there is a timer that starts when you open the page. This means you must complete using that page before the time is up, otherwise the page will get locked or you will get taken back to the home page and you will have to start over. We suggest you think about the stuff you will enter on each page before you open the page so that you don't run out of time. Here is the PW Reset home page. Can you see that there are 4 things you can do? You can change password, unlock account, forgot password, edit profile. Let's start with the Change Password tool. The Change Password tool lets you change your password. After you click on the tool, a new page will open. The page will ask you for your ID and password. Enter your ID in the username field and your current password in the password field. Then click the Log On button. Another page will open. This page will ask you enter your new password twice. The first time is in the password field and the second time is in the confirm field. PW Reset will make sure that the password you enter is the same in both fields. You must follow the password rules we mentioned before. When you finish entering your new password twice, click the Submit button. Cool. Your password was changed. Did you memorize it? Did you write it down somewhere? Let's take a look at the Unlock Account tool. If you are locked out of your account, you can use this page to unlock it. You might get locked out if you forgot your password and tried to enter it wrong too many times. Locking your account is to stop other people from trying to hack your password. Here's something to consider. In order to unlock your account, you must have your 3 security questions and answers already set up in your profile. You will need to set them up on the Edit Profile page. We'll get to that a little later. To unlock your account, click on the Unlock Account tool. A new page will open. Enter your ID in the username field. Click Log On. A new page will open and ask your first security question. You will need to enter your answer correctly. If you answer correctly, a second page will ask your second security question. You will need to do this for all 3 security questions and answers. After you answer the 3 security questions, a new page will open. Click the Unlock Account button. Your account has been unlocked. You're good to go. Let's look at the Forgot Password tool. If you've forgotten your password, you can use this page to make a new password. Here's something to consider. In order to use the Forgot Password tool, you must have your 3 security questions and answers already set up in your profile. You will need to set them up on the Edit Profile page. We'll get to that a little later. To use this page, click on the Forgot Password tool. A new page opens. Enter your ID in the username field. Click Log On. Answer your 3 security questions correctly. A new page opens. This time you can use 2 different ways to make a new password. These 2 ways are called modes. You can see these 2 modes on the left side of the screen. The first mode is called Enter Password. This mode lets you make up your own password. You will still need to follow the rules that we mentioned before. The second mode lets you use a tool that makes a password for you. This mode is called Generate. Let's cover the Enter Password mode first. Make sure the button Enter Password on the left side is selected. Enter your new password twice. Once in the password field and a second time in the Confirm field. Click the Submit button. You're done. Gosh, we hope you memorize your new password or wrote it down. If you want to have the tool generate a new password for you, click the Generate button on the left side. This turns on the generated field and Magic Wand Generate button. Click the Magic Wand Generate button. The button will make a random new password for you and display the new password in the Generate field. If you like this new password, write it down or memorize it. If you don't like it, you can click on the Magic Wand Generate button as many times as you want until you get a password you like. Click the Submit button. Done. You have a new password. As you probably guessed by now, setting up your 3 security questions is really important to managing your password. You can't use any of the other tools like Unlock Account or Forgot Password. So, we've saved the most important thing for last. The Edit Profile page will ask you to create 3 security questions. For question 1 and question 2, you get to select from questions that APS has already made for you. You will need to pick different questions for the first and second questions. You can't use the same question twice. For the third question you get to make both the question and the answer. We suggest you make a third question and answer before you start using this Edit Profile tool. Let's click on the Edit Profile tool. Click on the Edit Profile item. A new page will open. Enter your ID in the username field. Enter your password in the password field. Click the Log On button. A new page will open. You will select a question using the arrows for the first question. Then type your answer in the Answer 1 field. You will select a question using the arrows for the second question. Then type your answer in the Answer To field. For the third question, you will need to type a question and type an answer of your own. This would be a good time to write down your 3 security questions and answers. Click the Submit button. Now you are ready to manage your own password. That's the 4 tools using PW Reset. Let's recap what we've learned. You are in charge of managing your password from now on. Do not share your password with anyone. PW Reset is the website where you manage your passwords. Using PW Reset, you can change password, unlock account, forgot password, edit profile. If you forgot your password and you did not set up your 3 security questions, you will need to talk to your teacher or someone from the school administration team. Someone will have to work with you to manually change your password. This may take a long time and you might miss something important. So, we strongly recommend you take care of your own password. If you are new to APS and don't have a password, talk to your teacher or someone from the administration team. We'll try to get you set up as soon as we can. Do you have questions? Do you have a comment? Use the form to let us know. The form is found in the Google Classroom for this course. We want to hear from you. The end.